What's up, YouTube? Back to me again with another unboxing for you guys. And it's that time of the year. It's another Adidas collab with Y-3. And today I got you guys a Y-3 F50 Elite FG Tunit in a size 6.5. This is my friend's pairs. So I got a chance to get my hands on the reviews for you guys. Just a special box from Adidas with a Adidas logo on the upper, and then it says limited collections and Adidas logo on the side. Just a black box, nothing much. Inside you get this instructions paper, and then also you get another pair of insole from F50 as usual, with the Y-3 and a signature of Yohji Yamamoto in it. And there's some slogan, the brand with the 3 stripes, dyed, well marked, and then basically it's just German down here. Then it comes with a black string bags with a wolf designs on one side with a Y-3 logo, and then on the other side you get a Yohji Yamamoto signature, and then just black strings. So let's go into the pair. I'll take cleats out real quick. Box away. And here you go, guys. This is another pair of Y-3 F50 Tunit, firm ground. And then the colorway is basically just silver, black, and gray. So basically this pair it has a cool design with the wolf face on the front. It has other variations, but for the lifestyle sneakers instead of soccer cleats. And my first impression is basically it's very plasticky upper, as I know that it is a fiber touch upper, which provides a very lightweight support and cushioning. Then you got all the lightweight compression fit, tonal tongue. Basically it's just a very padded tongue up here. Then inside there's a lacing systems with a Velcro straps, with a Velcro over here that helps you basically just open and close it, and just strapped it in. And then you got the 2026 from 2006 to 2026 Y-3. So this Tunit design is basically celebrates the F50 Tunit back in 2006. And then it has the wolf design, the 3 stripes, and then you got the Yohji Yamamoto. On the outsole, you still got this sprint frame 360 technology, which provides like a coring structures for the midfoot, also with some conical studs and also with some more aggressive studs for firm ground. But I think it's also can be played on artificial ground. On the back you get the Y-3 logo, and it has this shiny finish. I feel like Adidas and Nike are trying to do those retro cleats, as they bring up all the cleats from the past and also with the shiny look. It's the other pair. I haven't had the chance to try it, but I think I ordered another F50 Tunit in size 10. And I heard that it is true to size. I'll do another review for you guys, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. And then the insole basically got the Y-3 branding and the Yohji Yamamoto signature. Inside it's in white. And the outsole is just a sprint frame 360 technology from the usual F50. Well, I think that's it for my unboxing, guys. Don't forget to leave a like for this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.